Numpy, how to check if array contains certain numbers? For example, I have a equals np.array 123, 412, 444, and b equals np.array 123, 321. I want to know if it contains all the elements in B. Is there a simple operation for this? In this case, that would not be true.
You could always use a set. Or with newer versions of Numpy. If you want just the answer rather than an array. Or, least desirable. Looping is slowish on Numpy arrays and should be avoided.
You can use set difference to determine what you are looking for. Numpy has a built-in function called numpy.setDiff1d or 1, R2. Return the sorted, unique values in R1 that are not in R2. Example for your case. So for your case, you would do a set difference. You would subtract A from B and obtain an array with elements in B which are not in A. Then you can check if that was empty or not. As you can see, the output is 312, which is an entry present in A but not in B. The length of it is now larger than 0, therefore there were elements in B which were not present in A.
That means you want to check if each element of B is contained in A. In 1D does that. Update from 2021, nowadays np.isin is recommended.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.